Good day, sir. Today we will discuss watertight bulkheads based on social regulation. Watertight bulkheads are strong walls inside the ship. They divided the ship into compartments. So dili pasudlan og tubig ang isig section or kada compartment. So if naay damage, dili dali mukatag or mo spread ang tubig.
Why is this important? It helps prevent the ship from sinking. It gives time for rescue operations. It keeps passengers and crew safe.
According to SULAS, ships must have enough watertight bulkheads. They should be properly placed from front to back. The ship should still float even if one compartment is flooded. Dapat sealed ug walay leak.
Recommended construction. First, strong materials like steel para lig-on og dili dali maguba.
Second, proper spacing. Di pwede nga random ra nga ibutang. Naay sakto nga distance bawat bulkhead.
Third, watertight doors. These doors can be closed quickly to stop water from spreading. Also, regular maintenance para sigurado jud nga walay leak.
So simple example is if one part of a ship is damaged,
Water will enter that compartment only.
And the ship can still float safely. Watertight bulkheads are very important for ship safety. They prevent flooding from spreading and help avoid sinking. That's all. Thank you for listening.